shock you to this. Do you know that you can earn money from a Facebook profile? Yes, I said it. You can earn in dollars by posting and creating content in your Facebook profile. This is the reason some of us are very intentional about what we post on Facebook. But some people think that people that use Facebook are local people, village people. That is not it. We are on Facebook for a purpose. That your profile that you're just using anyhow, just there, make use of it. I'm going to show you how you can earn in dollars from your Facebook profile. So let's go, guys. I'm going to click on my Facebook profile account, my Facebook app. I'll log in into my Facebook profile. So the first place are going to appear is here. So I'll click on these three lines here. Sorry, this picture here. Don't mind my English. So when I click here, it's going to bring with my profile. So I'm going to show you how you can earn from your Facebook profile. So I'm going to click here. These three dots. I'll come here. I'll scroll down. I'll click on turn on professional mode. Mine is showing turn off professional mode because my own is already turned on. But if yours is not turned on, you need to turn it on. So you can only earn from your profile when it's in professional mode. So now my own is turned. I'm going to show you something. After on your professional mode, you are going to see that all your friends turn into your followers. As you can see, I have 6.2 thousand followers. So when you reach the level to monetize, you can be earning from a profile. You'll be earning in dollars. So when you see us post things on Facebook constantly, engage in people's posts and many others, we're not here to play. So let me show you how you can earn from here. So I'm going to click on professional dashboard. When I click, I'll click on it. I'll scroll down. You can see this dollar sign here, approximate earning. Let me click on it. I currently don't have any approximate earning because my profile is not yet monetized, but it will monetize soon. So if I have reached the level to monetize my profile, all the money I'm earning from this profile is going to be showing here. So guys, take your Facebook account seriously. Start now, post engaging content, post something nice, and you're going to thank me later when you start earning in dollars. Because as for me, I am here for the dollars. I don't know for you. So if you find this video useful and helpful, follow me, like my post, comment and share, because I'll be sharing more interesting, educative and nice content here. Thank you for watching.